Yeah.
Yeah.
So someone basically asked, please share this file into the CSV format. This is the data here right
Yeah.
now. This is the employee ID, employee name,
Mhm.
department, department number, department,
Yeah.
manager, salary, education field,
Mhm.
gender, and marital status.
Yeah.
So how to the convert into the CSV format? So CS2 convert the in the CSV format. What we will do? We will use the function text join. What function? Function name is text.
Mhm.
Function name would be text join. So what we will do? We will add the delimiter. Delimiter we will add here this one, comma, this one, and then after what we will do? If we want to the my voice is audible to you. Hello.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry, Kumar.
Yeah.
Say. What?
My
What was?
voice is audible to you.
What was?
My voice is audible. My voice is audible. You can able to see the my screen.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I can see
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it was just frozen for a while. I don't know what
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Here the text join. So text join, what we will doing?
Yeah.
Here we want to the delimiter. Delimiter means the someone which we separate the two words. So
Yeah.
here we are using the delimiter this one comma, and
Yeah.
then after in double quote we close it in double quote, and then after we here is the option given true and false. Suppose there is the empty cell, there is the any empty cell here in this one. At that
Mhm.
situation, what will be? It will ignore the empty cell. Otherwise, suppose we write here false, then include the empty cell. So we will use the true. So true. And then after what we will do, we will select the text. This one's text, this one, and then after close bracket. At that time, what will be happen? Can you say it is the converted into the single column?
Okay. All right. I didn't know that formula. I do that always in another way. I
Yeah.
just copy paste the thing in Notepad, and then
Can you see this one? This will be
yeah,
converted into the one,
yeah, I see it.
and then after we drag down.
Yeah,
And this one is the right now it is the CSV form.
yeah.
Someone asked, please share the data in the CSV form. Then in this
That's
form we
true.
can share the data. Again, suppose the data has been come in the this format. Means that this format data has been come from the client side and ask, please the do work on this data. So in this data directly we cannot able to do. So we will do the again convert it into the tabular form. This type of form. So how it can be possible? Let's see. Let's copy this one, and here we will paste this one. You see the text, and then after what here this one, and now what we want to the convert it again into the tabular form. So how we can convert into the tabular form? So for that, what we will do, we will select this one. After selecting this one, what we will go, we'll go to the here text to column. Here we will go text to column. How to the go to the text to column? At first, we will click here home, and then after we will proceed for the data. Here in data tab, ribbon name is the here data tools. Data tools is the ribbon name. So we will click on text to column. Here, text to column, and then after we will click the next, And then after we will give the delimiter is the comma. Delimited, can you see this one? Delimited is the comma. And then after we proceed for the next, and then after we will proceed for the finish. Can you see that this one? This data has been right now converted into the again tabular form.
Yeah, I do this like 100 times a day, I think, and I would like, and that's also one of the things I like to learn. I want to have this in a formula because I do this like, yeah, that's what I say. I'm the whole day I'm doing this basically. So that's what I want to automate in a good macro, in a good VB. So that I have the option to say this is the delimiter.
Yeah.
So I have normally, yeah, maybe 3 choices of a delimiter. It's always the same. It's a comma or a semicolon or a pipe.
Do you know about the Power Query?
No, I've heard from it. No, I
Power
don't
Query is
do
the
that.
very important tool. So this is the automation part in the Power Query. Things will be very easy in the Power Query. We will also discuss. But
Oh, wow.
at first
Cool.
we will proceed. Suppose this one and some next we will go to the, suppose right now here is the name. This one is the name. And right now what we will do with some formula writing. So how we can do this one? This one. And this one here is the what we will do. Suppose someone asks, here the all the name is written in the which format? Proper. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we will use lower. Here is the proper, and here is the upper. So right now, suppose the here is the name is the written Barak Sally. And right now what we will do here, we will write the lower. At that time, what will happen? We select this one. And then after click on OK, can you see the all the words letter has been converted into the small letter?
Yeah.
All the Barak Sally, they all converted into a small letter. When we go to the here and drag down this one, so it will be work for the all. And can you see the all the letter converted into the small letter? See the lower. And then after when we will do the proper, then for the proper, what we will do? Proper, this one, we select this one and then go to down here and then here, this one. So what will happen here in proper? All the words first letter is the capital, remaining all the character in the small letter. All the words, each words first letter is the capital, and all the other letter is the in small. Can you see the B is the capital here? A is the small, R is the small, A is the small, K is the small, and here S is again capital, and then A is small, L is small, I is small, and then after. Now you will able to see the key.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I could see it. Yeah, no, it's no problem. You're on a big screen, so yeah, it's
Okay, you have the screen.
Yeah.
And then we will do the upper. Select this one. And drag down. Can you see the all the letter has been converted into the capital letter?
Yes.
All the letter has been converted into the capital. Means the each character of the words has been converted into the capital letter. So this is known as means the upper. Means the what we are doing, lower means the all the character has been converted into a small letter. For the proper, only the first character of the each word will be converted into the capital, rest is the in small, and for the upper, all the character has been converted into the capital letter. This
Yeah.
the each letter is the converted into capital letter. And
Yeah.
then after suppose here the len function means the len function. What we will do? Len function basically work to the calculate the length. Length means the what is the length? Means how many character is there? Suppose we select this one, and then after close, can you see the 10? Means
Yeah.
the Barak Sally is the number of the character in the Barak Sally is the 10. B
Yes.
A R A K. Here is the space, single space between the Barak and Sally. Means the one space is there. So one space, this space is also counting here. A Barak
Yeah.
in the how many character in Barak? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the Sally, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 plus 4 is the 9. And 1 is the space between the Barak and Sally. So it is comes out the tens. Because what is the happening in Excel? Suppose here is the A and B, right? And then after that we will use the len function. Len. At that time, what will happen? It will give the 2, means the number of the character here 2. But when we will introduce the one space between the A and B to
Yeah.
A, then it is the 3 here. Means the space is also counting as a character in the Excel, right? So this is happening. This is the len function, right?
Yeah. Clear.
Then after here the function is this substitute. Substitute function, what we will do? Here is the name, substitute. Text is this one. We want to change the text name, Sally. Sally with the Yusuf. Yusa. Sally, Sali. This is the old text. Means that here is the text is the Barak Sally is the text. This is text. This text means this is the Barak Sally. Complete the length of the string. Barak, this is known as a string. Barak Sally is the one string. Means that this is the proper name, complete name of the one person, Barak Sally. And now what we want to do, we want to change the Sali with the other name, other surname. This is Sally, Sali. So here what we will do, here we write the Sally. Barak Sally, Sally old text and new text in the place of the Sally. We will write here the Yusa. Yusa. This one. And then after the close bracket. And then click. Can you see that this is right now has been converted into the
Yeah.
Sally into the Yusa. Means what
Yeah.
we did? We did also the here the old text is the Sally and new text is the USA, right? So this is the, we have the converted this one into the new text USA. So this is the substitute function. Substitute, suppose the here is the name. This one is the name. And we use the substitute function. Substitute function. And we text. At first it is saying that please select the text. We select the text, this one. And then after old text. Old text is the here. Here old text is the Kemi. This one is old text. And new text, we want to the, in the place of the Femi, we want to the Louis. This one, and then close bracket. So this one who is Louis Greek right now. So we can replace any particular words using the substitute function. Means the for the substitute, we can any particular word we change with the another particular words. Right. So this is the substitute function. Did you got it?
Yeah, it's clear.
Did you get it?
Yeah. That's I've never used it, but I mean, if I would need it, I can search it up and yeah.
Substitute function, and then after replace.
Yeah.
Here is the one function we will see the replace. Replace.
That sounds the same actually.
So replace. Replace here the old text is the here old text either this one. This one is Barak Sally. This one is old text in start number. Where we want to the change from the which position we want to the change. We want to the change the position from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Position of the S is the in Barak Sally is the 7. Can you see the here? Barak B 1, A 2, R 3, A 4, K 5, space 1 is the 6, and S is the 7. So 7 position is starting from the 7. So start number is the 7. We want to the replace. Start. Can you see the here start number? So this is start number and number of the character. Number of the character in the cell is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write here the 4 and new text in the place of the here new text you will write here you saw. Anything, suppose we want to the Greek, then we will this one and then close bracket. So replace this Barak Greek. So this is the replace function.
Okay.
And now we will see the what is the find function. Find. Find function to what is the find function? Here replace, here we will see the find function. Find and find function. Find function. And for the find function, what we will do, we will just use the find. And what we want to find the position of the M. We want to find the position of M. We position of the M. Suppose we do not know, we counting the manually, what is the position of the M is the 3 here. But we are using the formula how to the count the position of the M. So for that, what we will do, we will in double quote, we will write M, and then after we select close comma, and then after within text will be this one, and then after we will start number is the 1. Start number is the 1, so we write here, and then close bracket. And so this one, can you see this is showing the position is the find is the position of the family is the 3.
Yeah.
Right?
Clear. Yeah.
This is the find. And then after again, suppose we want to find the position of the I. This one I. So what we do, we'll find the position of the find here. Position we want to find the text. Text we will write here I. This one, and then we will write the text. Select the text. This one, and then after within find the start number is the 1, and then start number means we are starting from the F. We are starting from first position of the character. You see the first position means we are starting from the F. So and then after
what's wrong?
Actually, I have.
Oh, that is already a formula, maybe. Femi.
In text. This text actually here is the case sensitive. Find function is the case sensitive. I have written the capital I, but here
Okay,
is the
but
small I.
why does it give that?
Case sensitive, I will explain it. And then,
Yeah, but that's not a nice way
yeah,
of telling you.
I am,
Yeah,
yeah,
if that I is not there, what happens then? What do you get if you can wipe out the I?
yeah. Just suppose there is the not a, here is the A. Suppose we are finding the position of
Yeah.
A, kind of the A position, A.
Mm-hmm.
And then within text this one,
Yeah.
and start number 1, and
Mm-hmm.
then report it. Can you see error?
Wow.
Yeah,
Why
that
does
is
it
the
say
happening.
this?
Yeah, that's
That's
why here,
nice.
because the find function is the case sensitive, means that this find function
Yeah,
can.
I understand, but this is not a
Yeah,
nice way of
yeah.
okay. Normally it says not available or something. Not slash a n/a. Well, okay. This is how you see it if it's not there.
Yes, and
Uh,
so another one function is available here.
mhm.
Suppose there is the search function. Function is the search. Search. Like search function is the not sensitive. Case not case
Okay.
sensitive. Right. And now we will use the search function. Search function. Find text. We will say write here capital I. Capital I. Here is the not available the capital. Here is the written the
Mhm.
small I.
Mhm.
Here is- but we are writing here the capital I. And then after within text this one and start number 1. But again it gives the answer 4. Because it is the search function is the not a case sensitive.
Okay. That's cool. That's good. Good to know. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
And now we'll see the what is the here is the left function, right function, mid function.
Yeah. Yeah, I actually do use them a lot on Kummer, these functions. So I don't know all the functions, but I know a lot of these. Left, right, mid.
You know read this one, right?
Yeah, I know them. Yeah, I use them. I
Yeah.
use them quite often. Yeah, yeah.
So suppose here the left function. How to use the using the find function left. How to use the find function with the left function.
Mm-hmm.
Left is here. We want to extract the left hand side of the text EDA. So we will this one, and then we will make it dynamic. So it will work for the all. This one for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So we
Mm-hmm.
will use the here the find function. Find. And what we will do, we will find the position of the space. Space position means that this one is space in the
Yeah.
EDA and O. There is the between the EDA and O is the one space. So we'll find in this space position. So within this, I have to take in the find out this space, and then we'll take the within text this one start number 1, and this one EDA will be EDA space -1. Position of the space -1. Position of my space -1. So then this one and then close bracket, this one and then left. This one. Can you see right now? We drag down this one. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll get it for the off. Did you get it?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
It
So
seems like
what is the happening here? At first we have taken the this one text, and then after the number of the character from the left hand side we want to the extract. So we have the make it the dynamic.
yeah.
Dynamic. So dynamic. So at the time dynamic. So this one is the space position. We find the space position of EDA and O. and then after subtract the -1. So it will get the position till the A. EDA means that this will happen the
Yeah.
3, right? So this one. So this is
And
for the
otherwise you had a space after that. If you
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, right. Okay, this is cool. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Then right function.
Mm-hmm.
This is the text.
Yeah.
We want to extract the right hand side of text brush. So what we will do, we'll use the len function. Len, this one, len function minus position of this space O and B brush. Position
Yeah.
of the O and B. O and B, there is the one space. So we will how to find this position? Find space within text this one. Start number 1. Again, this one. Here in the 1. So again, here will be start number find. Because right now we are starting from the O, position of the O. So again, we use the find space starting position for the node will be the 1. Here will be again the find function. Then we select text, then 1. Then here will be +1 for, because we are starting at what we did, we find the position of this space eta and O. So and then after starting from the O, so +1. So it will start from the O right now for this one till this one, right? This one, and then after for this one, it will start from this position from O to this space position. So right now this one close, then after -1, then this one. This one. So can you see this is showing for the all?
I can see, but that only works because you have one letter in between. If there were 2 letters in between, if there were 2 spaces or more spaces, that would not work, right?
Here suppose the here is the here is the name is the, suppose this one.
Yeah.
This, can you see in this situation also it works?
Yeah, but not if there's an extra space in between, huh?
Yeah.
If there are 2 letters in
But
that, you should have used, I mean, that doesn't exist probably, find from left. You should have had a direction, but that's not there. Find from left to right or from right to left. That would be nice.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Wow, this is, I have to think about this formula. I mean, you can send me the sheet, right? Afterwards.
Yeah, I will send you see.
Yeah. That one is that one I have to see again.
Yeah.
Mid.
Mid function right now. We want to extract the middle data from mid. So we select this one.
Yeah.
Text one, and we want to find OFGS. This one. So start number will be find.
Find space.
Find space. Text this one.
Yeah.
Start number 1.
1.
From start, and right now it is starting from the O. So it has to be +1. Because we find the position of this space.
Yes.
Then
+1.
add the 1 number, so it will start from the O.
Yeah.
And then after again find function. This one is space. Right now. This one.
Yeah.
And within text this one.
And then the start number would be.
Start number will be, we want to find the position of this space. So again, start number will be from this one. So again, we have to use the find function.
Oh man, this is this is hard to understand.
Find function.
Yeah.
This one. Then within text is this one.
Okay.
And then 1, and then close bracket. this one plus one, and then this one close, and then this one we have to the use again. Here we will use this one. So find function space this one comma one, this one, then close bracket. Can you see this one?
Man, that's a lot of. Oops. Why is that?
This one.
Oh yeah, the D. Yeah. Wow, that is a lot, huh?
Yeah.
To understand also. To yeah, you have to go through that a few times and then yeah. All right.
Here is the function, also available function here. Suppose here the text, there is the text in this form. This one. Suppose here the two and three text here, this one. So suppose this one, then we can use the this one asterisk, this one asterisk, this one for asterisk, this one for asterisk, this one for this one. Okay, this one is also way to do the concatenate the words.
Yeah.
Concatenate. Yeah, this is the ampersand. This is the this one is also used to join the different words.
Yeah.
This symbol is the use. This symbol is the here symbol.
Yeah.
This symbol is the use for the means the concatenate the all the words. There the function also available here, the concatenate, and then this one, then this one, this one, this one, this one. So this is the concatenate. This way we can also do concatenate, means the text join. This is the advanced version of the concatenate is known as the text join. Same things with text join. So same thing we can do using the text join. Text join space delimiter true. Then we do not write this one and this one. So this one.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. And now what we will do, we will use filter function. Do you know means the which kinds of the filter you know? Advanced filter,
You mean
simple filter and
yeah,
advanced
you
filter.
filter also continuously. Advanced that you
Yeah,
can
right.
give them values, you mean? Yeah, I think I know. But let's see. Yeah, I filter a lot, of course. Yeah, that's the one of the biggest functions of Excel to filter. Yeah.
Here is the data, suppose. Data. And then we want to apply the filter.
Yeah.
Filter, we want to apply filter. So how can we apply the filter? At first we will go to the home, and then after here is the function. Here is the function sort and filter. In home tab, there is the ribbon is here editing, and editing there is the here is the filter option. So we can shortcut is also the Control Shift L. So when we press the Control Shift L, then it will apply the filter here.
Okay.
And then after the applying the filter, what will happen? suppose we will select the any particular department number. This is the department number is here given. Suppose we select the any particular department number. Suppose we select the 10, then it will be give the value is the only for the 10. Means that it will show the data of the only the 10. Means the department number, so particular department person's data we can able to the see here. Got it? And then after, suppose we want to see the for 20, then we select for 20, and then after we will go and it will be able to the see the all the data of the 20. And then after, suppose here is the 30, then it is the will be show the for the 30. Suppose here is the department, again apply the filter, and suppose we want to the particular department, human resource. Then we select the human resource, then we can able to see that this one called the human resource department data. This is the human resource department, this is the employee name, and this is the manager, this is the salary, and all the things have we have here to see the here. This then after, suppose the again apply the filter here, salary, and here we suppose we want to the check and uncheck. When we click here the check, then it will be means the filter is apply. And when we click on here again, then it will the uncheck, means the uncheck. And then after, suppose we want to see this one, so we click on this, and then we able to see the this one data. So this is the able to see the research and development. This is the data here basically. And this and then after, what will happen? Suppose we apply the filter here we go, and then here go to the filter, then is the here the equal to sign. Suppose we want to give the equal to sign here, and we want to see the data of the 28968, this one for the this one data. Then we click on, then this one data is we can able to see the here. Got it?
Yeah. I use this all the time.
Yeah. Then after, suppose we want to apply the filter here, and we do not want to does not equal to this one. Suppose we want to see that does not equal to this one, 28968, this one, and then we click on this. Then this will be for the salary, which is the does not contain that particular value. And suppose again we go to the filter. Here is the filter, clear the filter. So clear the filter in salary. Then we click here, then we clear the filter. Again, we go to the here and apply the filter for the, suppose the here the greater than, suppose we want to the greater than 50,000. 50,000. Then can you say this filter has been applied, and this is showing the all the salary which is the greater than 50,000.
Yeah, clear.
This is showing the greater than 50,000. And suppose here is the less than. Suppose the less than, here we write down 45,000, and we want to see the less than this data. This one is the figure. It is showing the salary the less than this amount. This one.
Yeah, that's clear. That I use a lot, filtering. So all the time, basically. Yeah, that's very useful.
Suppose we want to see the top 10, then it is showing the for the top 10 data. This is the top 10. This one for top 10.
Yeah.
And then after, suppose we want to, this is the basic filter. And suppose again, suppose we go here. And right here, question mark 1, there is the no any data which is the content a single digit value. When double question mark, there is no any value which is contained at the double digit value. When click on 3, then also is not a contain the any value which is the contain the 3 digit. When click the 4, then again it is not available. When we click on 5, can you see that this is the showing all the values the here the 5. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5. Number of digit is here the 5. So we can able to see the here the number of the means digit available in the here the in the list is the 5. You got it?
Okay.
So this way we can able to check the how many digit value available in the this data.
I see. Okay, that is useful. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we'll proceed for the advanced Excel. Suppose here the color filter. Color filter is also very important. Suppose we apply the filter in a color, any color here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Suppose this color, and here is the, we will use the different color. Here, suppose we will take color, this one, and then suppose here, go to the here, filter the color. Here is the option, the filter this color. Then we click, if this filter has been applied here. And this color here data is the filter. And then suppose we see that this color, then this
Yeah.
color you will see.
Yeah.
Then we will go to the this color, then this color data will be able to see. When we go to the here and no fill, means there is no any color, then it will this data will be visible here.
Yeah.
This,
That's clear. Yeah.
this is the filter, color filter.
Yeah.
And then here, let's right now, suppose we want to the right now apply the advanced filter. So for advanced filter, what we will do, we will to go to the here, and here in the data, data, and here in the data tabs, here is the advanced.
Oh,
When
I've
we
never
click,
used that. Oh,
when
okay.
select this one,
Mm-hmm.
select, then we will select the for range, this one,
Yeah.
and then here is the giving the criteria, asking for the criteria. Is the we have to give the range of the criteria, I mean range, so we are retain the criteria. So what we will do, we will choose the here department as a criteria, department. Here is the department. Then here the salary, education field, gender. Suppose this pattern. Right
Mm-hmm.
now, department we have taken the research and development, and salary we will take the greater than 50,000. Greater than 50,000. 50,000. And male. This one. We have the return the here the criteria. The department should be the research and development. Salary should be the greater than 50,000. And gender should be male. And then select this one. And then after what we will do, we will go to the data tab, and this one, data tab, then we will go to advanced filter, this one, then we will select this one, Then we will select the criteria. This one. And then click on OK. We selected the criteria here. And then we will click on OK. So this one. So this way we can able to see that this is the figure, which is the department in research and development. Salary is the greater than 50,000 and all that are male. This one. Got it?
Yeah, I got it, but you could also do this with the normal filtering or
Advanced filter. This is the advanced filter. This is
yeah, I know, but what is the
step. Again, I will do select this one, hold
yeah.
data. Then we will go to the data tab.
Yeah, I got it, but I don't see the advantage yet of doing
I
this.
suppose right now here the selected data and we have taken the criteria, this one, this one criteria. And then after suppose we want to paste some other places the filter data. Some other places, suppose that we want to the place the hair data. We selected the N1. Can you see the hair? We selected this one and then click on OK. Can you see the all data has been filtered and now pasted the hair in these places.
Okay. So you have a subset of that data now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the, we can do that. Yeah. And then after this is the, this one. And then after we see the, what is, how to the sort the data. This is the hair filter. And suppose there is the sorting the data. Suppose here is the number. Can you see? When we click the here smallest to the largest. Small A to Z means the smallest to the largest. Means the smallest value will be in up and largest will be in down in Excel sheet. So when you click on lower A to Z, then can you see the 100, 100, 101, 101, 101? This way has been sorted. And then if we click the largest to the smallest, then this way has been selected. And suppose we want to the sort the hair data according to the A to Z. A to Z at distribution, what will happen? Alphabetical order. First letter of the any word, according to that, it will data has been sorted here. Data has been sorted A, then B, then C, this one. And then after, suppose Z to A. Z to A, then can you see the Z, then W, then B, this way. Suppose you want to sort according to the color. Sort according to this color, then can you see this one? Will be not top. Suppose we sort according to this one. This one. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Then this one. So this one, this way has been sorted.
Okay.
So this is the way we can do the sorting the data. Suppose we sometimes what is the happening? We want to the sort the more than one column. At that situation, we should focus on the step, means which column we want to the sort first, and latest sort will be which column. Suppose we sorted first according to salary, largest to the smallest. Then we sort the here department Z to A. So according to sales department having the highest salary, this one. This is the for the sales department. Is the sorted data we are getting the, can you see data has been sorted here? And this data is sorting according to this pattern. This one, this is the highest, then second highest, third highest, fourth highest, this pattern. This is the lowest. And then after the research and development, this is the this salary. This salary always this salary for the research development. And then after the this one, this one I had. This way we can do the sort the data. Got it?
Yeah.
Suppose sometimes what is the happening? We have to repeat the same something. Suppose here the repeat function is there. Repeat something. Suppose we want to the repeat the I. I is the repeat about the 5 times. Then this one is the repeat time. Is the event. Can you see this is the repeated here the 5 times? Can you see the here?
Yeah.
This is the repeat function. Suppose we want to repeat the repeat A into 10 times. So this is the repeat function. Here the column function. One is this is the repeat function. Repeat function. Here the column function. There is the column function. When we use the column function A1, then it is showing for the this is the column is the 1. This is the showing for the column is the number is the 1. Means that this is the one position. Means the suppose A2. Here the we do the A1. Here the A2. Then to B1. A1 means the column is the 1. B1 means the column number is 2. Means the here is the column number is this is the here the data available. Here is the column number A. Must the one column, this is one column number 1. This is the column number 2. This is the column number 3 and this pattern. Suppose the sometime data in this pattern. Here we do this one, this one. This pattern. Suppose in this here is the number of the character is the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see?
Yeah.
At that situation, how we can means the do the mid function, left function, right function. It is the very difficult. Your mid function is the so many mid function available here. 1, 2, 3, 4 mid function. Left is the this one, right is this one, but mid function is the mid is here 1. Can you see this one is the mid here? So as a situation, how we can do? There is the one formula. Substitute this one. Then after column A1, multiple 255 into 255 and mid function, this one, substitute, this one, repeat function, this one,
Mhm.
then this one is this one, column 1, this one 225, this one.
I totally can't
Hmm.
predict what's going to happen here. I you substitute a space
Substitute,
with a space repeated 250 times.
yeah,
I have no idea what's going to happen now, really.
this one,
And 15.
that's this one,
Substitute a
repeat,
space and no and 50. Substitute. Okay.
this is the formula it given by someone, name, this one, column A1, star 5 into 2, this one. Yeah,
What was this?
yeah, this one right now, this one we have to,
Mid substitute space and
yeah,
I have no idea what's happening here.
yeah. Now
Willis.
this one, can you see this one is there showing here?
Yeah.
This one, this one, this one, can you all the words?
Oh man. How did that happen?
Can you see this one right now? It is showing first here, wheels, then D, then Visiman, then Mariam, then F, then
Yeah.
in,
Yeah, you did
then
a kind of text to columns
yeah,
with a space.
yeah.
Uh,
So this way we can explain using the formula, this formula. This is the basically in the one formula. What actually we have did here for the concept basis. Here we have to use the substitute functions to each words, between the each words. We are creating the space of the 255. 255, we are creating the space between the each word 255. And then after what we doing, we are just using the mid function
yeah.
to mid function to just suppose here they created the space between the two in wheels and D. Between the this 255 space has been created. And then after what is happening, we just started the counting from the 255. 255 means the from the this space is falling the D, and then again we next up to the next 255. Means what is happening? We are creating the space 255 between the each word. Each words means the A and B. Between A and B, we created the space 255. Means between this space, this one. This space is the 255. Now, suppose here is the C. If there is the space, also is the here, 1ABC. Here 255 space between each word, from each word. So, and up before the A is also created a 255 space. So right now what we want to the starting the from the position of the 255 here. So it will fall before the A, 255 fall before the A, and then after we have taken 255 the next of the this 255. So it is fall the here between the here A and B, in between fall in A and B, and then after what we did, we use the trim function. Trim function means is used to remove the unnecessary space between the words. Suppose here the word A and B, A is here and B is the here, this one, and we will use the trim function. Trim function. So what is the happen? We use the here after the using this one. This space has been the removed and single space has been the converted to the single space. Can you see the here? There is
Yeah.
the space here. The A and B is the single. When we use the len function to check this one, we select this one. Then can you see the here the space the 15? But here the space is the 3. Here is the total number of character is the 3. Here is the number of the character is the means there is 13 space, and here the space is the only one space. There the two characters the here, two characters the here the 3. So this way we can do here. Did you get this one? These things you practice this one. 1 and 2 times, then sometimes if you require, then what we will just go to this formula, looks the how it apply, right? And then after you can do it yourself.
Yeah, this one is really I have
Yeah,
to look at it
you have
because
to
I
I will
don't see
share
it.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see this one. Substitute. What is the 255 for now? I
255
yeah, what does it mean?
means that we are creating the space between the two words. 255 space.
Is that a ASCII is that from the ASCII table or what?
Yeah,
Or
actually, what is the happening here? We are creating the space 255 space between the wheels and D. Means the every word between the every word, we are creating the space 255, right? And then after we actually before the wheels is also 255 space. Here is the 255 space. Here is the 255 space. So between when we will use the when we will use the meets function, at that times what we will go from this 255 to the this between this one and this one, means the when we proceed from this one to this one to extract the D, at that situation we what we will do, we multiply the columns to 255, 2 into 255. Then after we length of the length means the total number of the character will be 255. It is difficult to understand because this is the conceptual, very conceptual thing. When you will do the again and again, this one in your
yeah,
mind.
yeah, it has to land. I will look at that one. It doesn't it doesn't land yet, but I have to see it for myself maybe, and then yeah, okay, yeah, good. Hmm.
So I think that it is sufficient for today. And next
Yeah.
time when you will, or next time when you will available, then let me know. So we will take the next times, right?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is
When do you
sufficient.
do you work in the weekends or only?
Yeah, yeah, I can do the any. I am
Oh,
the
wow.
only providing the
Okay.
training. So
Yeah, because during the week
yeah,
I work, let's say, and then in the morning before I'm ready, it's very late for you, of course, because if you
yeah.
add four
You
and a
just
half
text me,
hours.
and also the you can do the WhatsApp. WhatsApp, my number is the here WhatsApp number. I will share you to your my WhatsApp number, so
Oh,
you can
thanks you.
also
Yeah,
do
yeah,
the.
that is that works very quickly. WhatsApp. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I WhatsApp you.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Very good.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, if you send me this sheet, I have a look.
yeah, I will share your seat. Yeah.
And I'm not sure about that last thing, but let's see.
Yeah.
No- Normally, I would I see what is happening, but with this one, I don't really see what's happening. But I will try to and maybe I ask again what is happening there. But let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, thanks. Give me also your details to
Thanks, man. Thanks.
how I can pay you. It's a bit expensive to pay you each time, I think, because it they charge you they charge cost, I think.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I will share you. I will share you.
yeah, yeah. Let's see. Or I pay upfront. I can also do that. It's no problem. Okay. Thanks, Kumar. Thanks a lot. Yeah, and we schedule the next one. You are very busy, or you have time often, or how easy is it to schedule with you? Are you still there, Kumar? Hmm. Hmm.